So here's what happens if you decide that you want to wait until after net metering 3.0 goes into effect. This happens on April 13th. Don't wait until April 12th to reach out to us. I'm ready to help everyone 7 days a week, 26 hours a day. Yes, I know that's actually more than a day even has. But all I'm trying to say is I'm going to be working like a madman for the next 3 months to help everyone go solar before it's pretty much too late to do solar without a battery in California. This is the way that we can show you exactly what happens to the kilowatt hour export rate, i.e. your ROI, your return on your solar investment, if you decide to wait until after net metering 3.0. So this is a homeowner that I helped out earlier today. It's 25-year 2.99. The monthly payments are going to be $222 a month. Got a federal tax incentive of $19,000. They're seeing a 25-year savings of $225,000. They pay about $500 a month right now to the utility company, right? So 10 years, that's going to be $815. It's going to be over $1,000 per month. Like, no one's trying to retire on that kind of ridiculous variable increased inflation. So 142%. We built the system really big because they are going to add a few things to the home that are going to need some more energy. So we're expecting a utility bill at maximum to be $53 a month that they would still owe to SDG&E. Now, this is net metering 2.0. If you go solar before April 13th, 2023, you get grandfathered in to this good program for a period of 20 years. And if you decide to wait, that's fine, but you will regret it. And here's why. This rate mimics what happens when April 13th hits. All of this 42%, all of that excess that we were able to get credited for, it's pretty much cut by 75%. Look at that 25-year savings. It goes down to $121,000 from 200 something. It basically cuts it in half, if not more. The new utility bill will be $191. It doesn't make any sense to go solar after April 13th in California without a battery to back up the electricity. That's all I got. Go solar. Call me. Reach out to me via email, via text, direct message. Any way is fine. Always are appreciated. And hopefully you guys learned something today. Take care.